Hey guys, I'm Deepthi Desikan and today's video is going to be a Shyaway haul. If you guys are wondering what is Shyaway, Shyaway is an online store where you can get bras, panties, basically all of your undergarments, accessories, nightwear, sleepwear, sportswear, some tops, at all affordable prices. So this store has some really good lingerie collection at an affordable price. So I have some bras that I want to show you guys right here. So the first one I have is this one. This is a nude bra. So this bra is actually like lightly padded. It's really soft and also it doesn't really have an underwire, but it does give you pretty good support. And it has a plunge neckline, which I really like because you can wear it with a lot of different outfits. And because it's not patterned or it doesn't have any sort of like detailing on top of this, it's a very good t-shirt bra and something that you can wear on a daily basis. It's really comfortable, fits me like a glove, and it's just soft and nice. So yeah, the material of this is 88% nylon and 12% spandex. Like I mentioned, it's really comfortable for underneath your t-shirts, your kurta, your everyday wear. It doesn't feel uncomfortable at all. So the next one we have is this powder blue t-shirt bra, which has a wire to it, but it's not very uncomfortable, and it's not something that is like actually like poking your rib, nothing of that sort. It again fits really well, gives you pretty good support. So this is a padded bra and it doesn't give you like full coverage, which I like because it's again very good to wear it underneath t-shirts. If you have a plunging neckline on your top, you can wear this one, and it is also crafted with like a lace detailing at the strap of this, and it is see-through, which I again find this one to be pretty comfortable. And the next bra we have is this one. This is a floral bra, but it has full coverage and it is a wired bra. It does have slight padding to it, and I would recommend this to people who actually like full coverage bras and you're okay with detachable straps, because I'm not someone who really likes like full coverage bras and something that is like this that goes all the way up for a strapless bra. So I like the strapless bras to have lesser coverage because it's a lot more convenient to wear it under a lot of different clothing items, and the strap is not seen and it is not peeking through and the bra is not moving everywhere. And then we have this one. This one is a padded wire-free everyday bra, and let me tell you guys, this is super comfortable, and it does come with like sort of like a thicker strap again, which you can wear this like on a daily basis and be really comfortable. It gives you a good support, and I just like how soft it is, and it doesn't really make me feel like I'm wearing something on, because come on, wearing it every single day for a prolonged period of time, it can get really uncomfortable. And I like that this is quite soft, and it is pretty affordable as well. I really like that. And I do have a lot of bras from H&M, and I have a lot of bras from Marks and Spencer and everything, but they can be really pricey, and the ease of repurchasing bras from there, you have to actually save up, you have to actually think a lot before you purchase a couple of different patterns that you want. Whereas with this, I think you can go ahead without thinking about it so much, because they have so many different offers running throughout their store, and you can mix and match with different items and you can get whatever you want. You can even get their sleepwear, their sportswear. You can try out whatever you want, and the ease of repurchasing it or purchasing different patterns, different styles is a lot more accessible with this store. Particularly, I felt that. So the last one we have is this one. This is a sports bra, which I really like. I find this to be extremely comfortable. It of course fits me really well. It's really comfortable. I do have sports bras from other brands, but I feel like, you know, it's sort of like that polyester kind of material where I feel like I sweat a lot, especially when you want to wear this for workout or when you're running and everything. You don't want to be uncomfortable in that, and I feel like this material is really nice because it's modal and elastane, 95% modal and 5% elastane, so it makes it really comfortable to wear, and it doesn't feel like it's too tight. It's not uncomfortable, and it definitely gives you that ease of wearing it even every day. Like if you wanted to wear it at home on a daily basis, you can definitely wear it, and you can also work out with it. And I really like this. It fits me like a glove. I've after ages have found a sports bra that actually fits me like a glove, and this one certainly does, and I can see myself reaching out for this and getting more use out of this particular product. So that's pretty much it. Those were all the products I wanted to show you guys. I will link everything in the description box below, along with the coupon code, which is YT100, and if you use that for orders of 1,000 rupees or above, you get rupees 100 off, and you can use this coupon how many ever times you want to shop on this store. They have so many different offers running. You can pick out whatever you want. You don't necessarily have to buy whatever I have got. And also they have a free shipping for orders above rupees 749. They have COD available and 15-day easy hassle-free exchange and returns. And I think this would be a really good option for people who want to invest in good lingerie, affordable lingerie, sleepwear, sportswear. So do check the store out. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you did, give this video a big thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.